15 years in the military and over a decade in special forces, I've learned a thing or two. One of them being the importance of footwear. If your boots fail you, you might too. The people of 511, they don't just create their products in a vacuum. They get input from the guys and gals on the ground. Why are the ATAC 2.0 so good? Because the wizards at 511 took all the original features and added even more. Ones that, well, quite frankly, I love, so will you. Of all the features, the ones I love the most are these soles. Flexible, lightweight, you can still feel everything beneath your feet and you're still protected. Regardless of your mission, whether it's 16-hour patrol, fast roping out of a helicopter, or hiking the backcountry, you need quality footwear, like these ATAC 2.0.
The Rush Series family of backpacks. We have the 12, the 24, and the 72. Or another way to think about this is a 3-day, a day, and a half-day backpack. A lot of you guys are probably asking how big of a backpack do I need? And that's what I'm going to try to answer for you. You're going to get an accessory pouch up front. You're going to get a variety of places to store stuff and a variety of zip pockets across all three of these backpacks. Each backpack is going to offer you an ability to have another storage pouch. It's a small individual pocket that has a mesh pocket and just an open space for accessories. The biggest thing that's going to change across this line of backpacks is size. The 72 is going to offer you the most amount of space per pouch per zippered pocket. It's going to come down a little bit on the 24, down a little bit more on the 12. The 24 opens up. You're going to have the mesh pocket so you can see what's in there. The laptop storage area. It's got a good little retention system. And this is your sunglass pouch, accessible just above the yoke, padded to protect your lenses of your goggles. And all three also, while we're right here at the carrying handle, give you the ability to route the hydration hose. The front end of the pouch got 3 pockets. 2 of them are mesh. One of them is an enclosed nylon pouch. Let's talk about the back. First and foremost, you have the yoke. It's got awesome padding. It's spread wider to help you push that load across your shoulder. All 3 of the backpacks have a chest attachment point and are adjustable for a variety of heights and sizes. Underneath the yoke, you have a padding and air channelization system designed to not only keep the backpack in place with some friction panels to help with the ventilation. One additional thing that you're going to have here on the 24 is an introduction of a side pouch where you can store an Nalgene bottle. Tactical world, you could put an M4 magazine in there. And then when we move from the 24 to the 72, the main design difference you're going to notice is the shove it pouch, which is on the outside. I like to stuff down jackets in here. When I'm getting ready to go to the gym, I'll throw everything I'm going to wear at the gym, my tennis shoes up on top, and you're ready to go. One difference I am going to highlight as you go up in size to the 72, because the load is probably getting a little bit heavier, being able to put some of that weight onto your hips in addition to the shoulder, which is going to help you carry a heavier load for longer. That's why this bag comes with the lateral straps. If you choose not to use that, as some people do, it's fine. Again, the biggest thing you're going to get, guys, the accessory compartments are going to be a little bit larger. The storage options are going to be the same largely across all 3 of the backpacks. What you really get is size. And this is the Rush series from the 12, the 24, and the 72.
Introducing the Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pins. A collection of high-functioning, utility-driven defensive riding tools. The SWAT pin, an anti-slip grip ballpoint that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. A tactical pin that gives your riding a smooth finish. The MTP6 pin, a high-utility concept with a dual-mode flashlight. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. The Rebel Pin, a sleek tactical riding instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pin comes equipped with a defensive glass-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pins are machined for perfect weight and balance and textured to provide a perfect feel. built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry Tactical Pens. They're not just pens. There's something more.
Thank you for considering TAC9er tactical gloves for your next tactical adventure. The thing that makes TAC9er tactical gloves unique is our exclusive Kevlar lining. We use genuine Kevlar fabric to line our gloves to help with high temperature and sharp object situations. What good is a tactical glove if it isn't durable and comfortable? So we made our gloves with breathable neoprene and anti-slip fabric and included adjustable hook and loop straps that can give you that perfect fit. And don't worry, you can even use your touch screens too, because we've thought of that by adding sensitive fingertips that work with touch screens. We want to ensure that you get the perfect fit for your TAC9er tactical gloves. So for that reason, we put together this handy sizing chart. Make sure you pick between small, medium, large, and extra large based on your palm size shown here. Don't worry, once they arrive and they aren't the perfect size, we'll exchange them for you for free. Our high-performance design makes it ideal for hiking, mountaineering, airsoft, and other multi-outdoor sports. They're also suitable for law enforcement, handling heavy machinery, construction, woodworking, motorcycling, and gardening. So our gloves are up for any tough job without sacrificing comfort and functionality. You can buy TAC9er tactical gloves with confidence because we include a 5-year warranty. No matter how hard you abuse our gloves, if anything happens to them within 5 years, just send them back and we'll send you a brand new pair free of charge, no questions asked. Thanks again for considering TAC9er tactical gloves, and good luck with your next adventure.